Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley keeping an eye on your holiday forecast. If it were this temperature for Thanksgiving Day, it would be so perfect for the holiday.
But it's not.
No, it's not.
It's not. We're expecting actually a pretty substantial warm-up as we get closer to Thanksgiving and for Black Friday. So kind of a warmer end of the week, Patrick. But you're right. This weather today has been absolutely great with those comfortable temperatures and humidity. I know you were just really just glowing over how nice the weather was when you came into work today. Let's go right to your temperatures right now. As you can see, we are looking at readings right now into the mid-60s inland, but a little bit closer to the coast, so we're still running into the low 70s here in the Cape as well as Bonita Springs, both coming in at 70 and 71 degrees. Naples also at 71, as well as Golden Gate. So this evening looks cool, just like last night. Now that the sun's set, it does look like those temperatures are going to drop off pretty quickly. The air is still fairly dry, and whenever that happens with calm winds, those temperatures do drop pretty quickly. We're expecting 50s as you wake up tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon is going to be another stellar day. Sunshine, light winds out of the east and northeast, and temperatures into the upper 70s, maybe even some spots getting close to 80 degrees. Real quick moving clouds here moving across the area. These clouds are cirrus clouds at about 30,000 feet with the jet stream flow, so they're moving along quickly. But if you have travel plans, particularly as we get into later tomorrow, Wednesday, and even if you're going to be traveling on Thanksgiving Day, you're probably going to have some issues here. The first of a couple of storm systems. There's one that's going to be entering the Pacific Northwest. That's going to bring potentially historic wind event for parts of Washington State and into Oregon. This one here in the midsection of the country, look at all the snow that's going to be breaking out with this one. And then the warm sector could be looking at a severe weather threat, particularly overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning for parts of the Mid-South. By the time we head into Wednesday morning, we're going to be looking at heavy snow for likely areas of northern Wisconsin, back into the Minneapolis-St. Paul area down towards Des Moines. But notice all these lines you see here. These are called isobars, or lines of equal pressure. Whenever they're packed together like that, that means that there's a large pressure difference over a very small area. And you can see that it means we're going to see some strong winds here, and that's what Patrick was talking about with the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Probably going to be some issues there with that because the winds are going to be gusty as we go into Thanksgiving Day as the storm system pulls east. But you can kind of see what we're going to be looking at with these wind gusts. If you're going to be traveling places like Chicago, up towards Detroit, Minneapolis, even as far south as places like St. Louis are going to be looking at wind gusts over 40 to 50 miles an hour here as this storm system pulls away. So again, if you have travel plans towards the Midwest, especially on Wednesday and maybe even the Thanksgiving Day, and really even tomorrow for areas farther west out in the Great Plains, could be some problems there. But again, our forecast here looks good for Thanksgiving. 60s in the morning, sunshine. We're going to see mid-80s coming up Thursday afternoon, so a nice warm-up for us, but it will be a little bit ugly for other parts of the country. Winds tonight, light out of the northeast or calm, but it should be a pretty nice night. Temperatures into the low to mid 50s, so comfortably cool for some of you out there. And then tomorrow's highs will be a little bit warmer, ranging into the mid to upper 70s with an east to northeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. So tonight's forecast down to 53 under a clear sky. Calm winds tomorrow, 78, mostly sunny skies. Beautiful day shaping up with a light northeasterly wind. Your Ingman Marine forecast sees 2 feet or less. East winds at 5 to 10 knots. Inland waters a light chop. 7-day forecast, 85 coming up on Wednesday. And look at that, Thanksgiving Day, 86. That's not out of the question there. The pattern certainly supports it, so we're going to see a pretty decent warm-up here through Black Friday, and then we'll start to cool off a little bit by the weekend. Cold front, next one that arrives will be late Sunday into early Monday with a chance for showers.
Dissection